welcome to my channel. I am Dorica, and if you're new here, by all means, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you find that you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember that you all are always welcome in my house. So today I'm going to be putting DTF on a toilet seat. And this is the toilet seat right here. That's the toilet seat right there. And here is the back. That's the back. And I got it from Roses. And if you want to see what I'm going to be putting on this toilet seat today, come on. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so there is the image printed out the printer. If you can see that white is printed on top of that colored ink. And that's what the adhesive powder goes on top of that white ink right there. Image coming out of the printer. And that's what our image looks like coming off the printer. Let me see if I can get you a better view. And that's what it looks like right there. So now we have to put some powder on our image. And remember, guys, we're using white powder today because we're putting this on a white toilet seat. If we were putting it on a black toilet seat or a black item like a shirt or something, we would use black powder. And the black powder will prevent that the fibers from showing up through our prints. So since we're going to be using white today, we're going to be using white powder. So let's shake it. Let's shake it, shake it. Let's move it around to cover our whole entire image. Let's move it around. Let's make sure the whole thing is covered, like in a seesaw motion. And that whole thing looks covered to me. So we're just going to shake it. Shake it to remove the excess powder. And that is it. Now we're at my oven and I'm going to put this in the oven. My oven is set to 250 and I'm going to put this in the oven for about 2 minutes or so and let it cure. And we'll let that cure for 2 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, our print is done and ready to take it out the oven. That's the back. Of course, that's the back. You see that orange peel look? That's what you want to see, that orange peel look right there. And this is the front. And that's the front. So now let's go to our oven, our heat press and press this on that toilet seat, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're over at my heat press. I've already laid out the DTF print onto the toilet seat. And I did have to go back and make the word Chanel smaller because I had made it too big. So that's why I cut the print already. And so it's already on the heat press. And I'm going to press it. It's on 280 and I'm going to press it for 15 seconds. Put my parchment paper on top. And I'm going to have to hold this. Remember last time I took the toilet seat apart. I took the screws out. But this time I'm trying something different. I'm not going to unscrew it and take it apart. I'm just going to try to press it like this. But I'm going to hold the heat press and not close it all the way. So here we go. See what we get. That's that first press. I know I'm going to have to press it again. because this top area is not pressed yet. So I'm going to try to slide it up a little bit more and get that area because I didn't have it up all the way. So I know I'm going to have to press that again. So let me slide y'all back and see if I can get more of it up under the toilet seat. I might. Well, I'm trying not to take them screws off. But we're going to see what we can do. We're going to see what we can do. See if I can slide these back more. I can't, so let me see how much I can get it without. Okay, there we go, I believe. Hold this top part. All right. Now let's check and see if we got it all. Like I might have got it now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it cool for about a minute or so, and we're gonna take the DTF transfer off and see what we got. Then we're gonna repress it for 10 more seconds. Okay, so now that we've let it cool for about a minute or so, let's remove this film. Let's remove the film. I'm gonna take this one off. And we're gonna press it again for about another 10 seconds or so. Ten seconds. Okay, so here is our final product right here, right here. I think it came out cute, y'all. DTF on the toilet seat. DTF on the toilet seat. And that's it. And I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching once again. And I already know. I do. You ain't ready to leave my house. As always. I know. But guess what? Guess what? You ain't got to go home though, but you're going to have to catch me in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye y'all.